This is the second class. We will talk about variables. Python has no command for declaring variable. A variable is created the moment a value is assigned. We will now see them in detail. There are certain rules for Python variables. A variable name must start with a letter or underscore character, must not have a space between two words, should not start with a space, should not start with a number, cannot have Python keywords. Field must start with a letter or underscore character. Let me write a simple code. A is equal to Ram. It is a string. B underscore is equal to cat. Underscore is equal to 9. I have given three variables in three different ways. Print A, again print underscore, B underscore, print underscore. Then I run the program. The code is executed successfully, putting Ram, cat and 9. I can also separately print A and separately print underscore, separately print underscore. Then I run the program now. I get wrong. Print A I have given, I get wrong. So a variable must start with a letter or underscore character. I hope it is clear. A variable must not have a space. A variable name should not start with a number. Let me write a simple code. AB is equal to Ram, B1 is equal to apple. I am printing AB and B1 and run the code. I get the code properly executed. Now I clear this and then I put a space between A and B and also I take this B out. Then here also print space. Then I take this one out, B1 out. I run here the code and they have the error. I should not have the space A and B, and in between there should not be a space. I cannot write a numerical number as a variable name. Code is executed with the errors. So you clearly understand that there should not be a space between letters. The variable should not start with a number. Variable, a variable name should not be a Python keyword. Then how to find the Python keyword? Here we see import keyword, print keyword dot kw list and run the program. In the output, we will get all Python keywords. Python keywords, as you know, is false, none, true, and, as, etc., as can be seen. Now, from this, we can see what are all the Python keywords, and we should not use Python keywords for naming a variable. We will now see a simple example about Python keyword. When I use Python keyword, what will happen? In this example, I have created a variable name true, T small letter, true is equal to Ram, print true. This true is not a Python keyword and I get the output Ram correctly. Code execution is successful. Now I clear this and I use the Python keyword true where T is capital and I make print true. I make a code like this and then run the program and I get an error because cannot assign to true. The variable name cannot be true, the Python keyword. So now you understand the keyword function. Python is case sensitive. We will see an example here. Box B I have put capital, that is equal to blue. Box all small letters, that I have put it as red. Box all capital letter, I have put that as green. So I have created three variable names. One is box with B capital. The second one is all small letters. The third one is all capital letters. So three variables are there. So everything is box only, but that is different. So I also put print box, box, box. Now I run the code. I get blue, red, green. So it is different. So Python is case sensitive. Variable type is identified by Python. We have seen many things in this particular lesson. Now, Python is automatically identifying the type of the variable. For this, a simple program is shown. I have created box is equal to blue, a string type. Weight underscore gram is equal to 800.5, it is a float type. Money underscore rupees is equal to 100, that is integer type. Animal is equal to cat, dog, horse is a tuples, and the animals 1 is equal to 258 is a list. Now I run this code and see what happens. It is automatically identifying the class string, class float, class integer, class tuple, class list. So we have learned now about the variables in this particular lesson. I hope you are able to understand the variables in a good manner. Thank you.